When it comes to culture and tradition, I comot cap for Arondizuogu. Arondizuogu to the world. The Ikeji festival is one of the greatest festival in Africa. White people dey come for this festival. Chai, if you're not from Arondizuogu, you are missing no. Ka ọ dịwa Ikeji ọzọ. Ka ọ dịwa na Ikeji 2025. Hey, see masquerade now, see people, see everything. The Ikeji festival is very interesting. If you have not been to Ikeji Arondizuogu, try and come back next year. You will enjoy it. Kiwere anya gị kirie film. No Arondizuogu son or daughter will skip this video. This masquerade too fine. Mmanwụ jugodoro eju. Mmanwụ nyegoro ife a chọrọ. Thanks for watching my video, and remember to follow my page for more culture tradition of our people. Alright, and remember to share my video. Thank you.